In the year 2146, a luminous city rises along misty cliffs where drones weave rain into neon glass. The camera glides through crowded avenues as hovercars flicker above reflective pools, holograms dancing over green towers. Solar highways hum overhead, while floating farms drift between terraces and AI guardians monitor traffic with calm precision. A storm tests resilience as wind turbines spin, and a buried beacon awakens to illuminate the skyline. The outro zooms on a sculpted robot hand reaching toward a starry dome as the city breathes.